Hey everybody, Jimmy Westerberg here with Android Authority, and today we're at MWC 2019 taking a look at the brand new LG V50 ThinQ. This is LG's very first 5G phone, and it doesn't want to be outdone by Samsung with the new Galaxy S10 5G, so it decided to launch its own 5G phone. Now, on the surface, you probably won't notice many differences between the LG V50 ThinQ and the V40 from last year. It looks very much the same. It has the same triple rear camera setup on the back, basically the same design, although there's no camera hump on the back. We also have the same 6.4-inch plastic OLED display we saw in last year's model. Again, it's not quite Samsung level OLED, but they are pretty decent. Perhaps the biggest change on the hardware front is the fact that the V50 is running on Qualcomm's new Snapdragon 855 chipset. We actually just reviewed the Xiaomi Mi 9, which also has the Snapdragon 855 chipset, so if performance on the V50 is anything like the Mi 9, we're really looking forward to using this every day. Performance definitely shouldn't be an issue here. Just a quick note that our MWC coverage this year is brought to you by Digit Daily, your daily dose of tech straight to your inbox. Check out the description below to learn more. So aside from being able to utilize Sprint's 2.5 GHz spectrum, support for 5G on the V50 ThinQ enables the phone to utilize LG's new dual screen accessory. Basically, this is a 6.2-inch OLED display baked into a sturdy Folio case, and it just connects to the V50 with pogo pins. Once you place the V50 into the Folio case attachment, it basically enables you to use the second screen for pretty much anything. You can run side-by-side apps, you can send content to one screen or the other, or even use the second screen as a virtual Bluetooth gaming controller. So with 5G support and the fact that it might be powering a dual display unit while gaming, there's the potential for the phone to get pretty hot. But LG says it equipped the phone with a new vapor chamber heat dissipation system that should be more effective at keeping internal temperatures low, so performance shouldn't really suffer from this. Now the problem is, the LG V40 received pretty lukewarm reviews across the board, and the V50 is essentially the same with 5G support and a new processor. I'm not sure if the dual display accessory is enough to move units, but we'll have to see once we get one in for our full review. For more MWC 2019 coverage, be sure to go to AndroidAuthority.com and check the link in the description below for even more LG coverage as well. LG also announced the LG G8 ThinQ, which is actually a pretty cool looking phone, so go check that out as well. And again, be sure to stay tuned to Android Authority this week for even more Mobile World Congress 2019 coverage.